Hey, are you confused about how Kickstarter works and how it is that you can actually purchase the new Delta Pro and the extra battery and some of those other accessories? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it right here, so stick around. So hey, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps and over on Kickstarter to show you how it is that you can make your purchases of the Delta Pro and some of those other accessories. So let's just jump over on the computer and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, the first thing to do is to jump down here to the description section of this video and click on the link to get over to the Kickstarter website. So once you get over here on the page, on the Kickstarter page, you're going to see the EcoFlow Delta Pro campaign. You'll quickly see that they've raised quite a bit of money so far, how many people are backing this project, and how many days are left in this campaign. Now, if you still want to do some research about the Delta Pro and some of those accessories, you're just going to want to scroll down the page, and there is a ton of information and videos all about this product and how you use it and all the specs and then all the accessories that they have. And it's just an incredible amount of information that they've got here. One thing I want to point out real quick is scroll down here to the bottom. If you are planning on making a purchase, alright, so as we scroll down here, here's the rewards. So for your money, this is some of the things that you can get. Now, not all of these are available. For instance, this super early bird pricing, that's over with already. They've already sold as the maximum number of units in that particular offering. But some of these other offerings are still available. I believe you can still get the Delta Pro at 39% off. We'll see here in a few moments. Here it is again. Once this one is done and over with, you can still get it here at 25% off. And then again at 17% off. So they got plenty of opportunities as this campaign progresses for you to make a purchase and get huge savings. They have other options here where you can buy the Delta Pro plus an extra battery, different price points. And then they have other accessories too. For instance, you can get the solar panel, and then they have other offerings too where you can get the Delta Pro plus a solar panel plus the tracker. 23% off, and then here's an all-in-one package where you get almost everything that they're offering. So as you can see, they've got quite a few items here that you can select from. Now, if you're ready to go and you're ready to make your purchase, what you're going to do is over here on the right side of the page, you're going to see a second scroll bar right here, and this is where you want to be because this is where you make your selections. So as you scroll through here, they have options to purchase these different packages. For instance, right here you can pledge $1,699 to get the Delta Max. This is not the Pro version. This is a slightly smaller version, the Delta Max. But keep on scrolling down. Here's another package. This is for the Delta Pro. Okay, this is at the 25% off for $26.99. So scroll through, look at each one of these carefully so you know exactly what it is you're pledging for, and you can see the different price points, and you can see how much savings it is. And once you find one that you're interested in, and we're just going to select this one right here at 25% off, go ahead and click on it. It's going to open up, and you have to select the country. For most of you watching this video, you're probably in the United States or Canada, so we're going to select the United States because there is a $60 fee for shipping this item because they are very heavy. And then from there, you click continue. Now on this page here, it allows you to make some adjustments to your reward, to what it is that you're purchasing. So you see what you've selected here. It's the Delta Pro, it's that price, it's the 25% off. But then they have some accessories here that you can add. For instance, they have a rain cover, a dust rain cover. They have a remote control. They have different cables. The solar panel, the smart generator. The solar tracker. So they've got all these extra things here that you can add to your campaign for additional cost. And I highly encourage you to consider things such as maybe the solar panel or the smart generator to charge up your Delta Pro. Once you make your selection there, come down here and hit continue. Now at this point, you either, if you have a Kickstarter account, then you go ahead and log in, or you have to create an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click over here and just log into my account. Okay, so once you create your account or you get logged in, here's the pledge summary, and it goes over it again exactly what it is that you're purchasing, and it asks for your credit card information, and you just fill that out. Now, a lot of people get concerned right here in this section where it says rewards are not guaranteed. And that's something we just covered in another video, and I'm going to put a link to that video right up at the top and also at the end of this video, so you can go and learn more about that. But the fact is, you are pledging a donation to a company for a product or service that they may or may not ultimately produce. But in the case of EcoFlow, I'm estimating that it's probably less than 1% chance that they're going to fail. And I explain that clearly as to why. Primarily because they're an established company, they've been around a while, they have these products already. All these products are already developed and built, so it's not something they want to do, it's something they've already done, and they're actually already in full production mode, and they'll be shipping soon. So because of all those reasons, there's literally almost no risk at all at participating in this particular campaign. Nonetheless, you have this legal disclaimer here, you have to click on it before you continue. And then from there, you hit the pledge button. Now the good thing is about this is your credit card is not going to be charged just yet. In fact, they don't charge your credit card until, I believe it is the 15th of September. When this campaign ends, that's when your credit card is going to get charged. So up until that point, you can come back in here, you can change your mind, you can make adjustments to what it is you're purchasing. You can do all of that without any penalty or any problems at all. So hey, I hope you found this video helpful in understanding how it is that you can get it over on Kickstarter and make your purchases. And again, make sure you click the link down below because it helps this channel and it supports this channel. And I'd appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, because I've got a lot of other helpful tips and advice that I'm going to be putting out in videos here real soon. And I'm going to go ahead and stick up those other videos I mentioned right here so you can click on those as well. And if you do, I'm going to see you over on the other side. Thanks for watching.